I waited for 40 minutes for my turn.
Hello, please sit down at my desk.
My name is Mia, and I have a dream.
I am Oliver. How can I help you today?
I want to open a small organic bakery.
That sounds like a very delicious project.
I have my ticket number here in my hand.
Your number is 22. It is the right time.
Is this the office for new small businesses?
Yes, we help everyone start their own shop.
I feel a little bit nervous about the rules.
Please relax. The process is very simple here.
The office is very bright and modern today.
We try to make people feel comfortable.
I brought many papers to show you.
Preparation is the best way to be successful.
Can I start my business in an old garage?
We need to check the city building rules.
I cleaned the space and painted the walls.
That is good, but we need official maps.
I have a big folder with all the details.
Please put the folder on the white table.
It is a bit heavy because of the photos.
I like seeing photos of new local shops.
The bakery is near the big city park.
That is a perfect place for fresh bread.
People walk their dogs there every single morning.
Maybe you can make biscuits for dogs too.
That is a very smart idea, Oliver.
Let's start with your official application form.
Here is the main form for the bakery.
You have very neat and clear handwriting.
I wanted everything to be easy to read.
Did you include your email address here?
Yes, it is at the top of the page.
I will scan this into our digital system.
Does the computer save the files forever?
We keep them in a very safe database.
I hope I checked all the right boxes.
I see you checked the eco-friendly box.
I want to use zero plastic in my shop.
The city gives special prizes for that.
Really? I just want to help the planet.
It is good for the earth and the business.
Do I need a partner to sign this?
No, you're the only owner of this shop.
I like being the boss of my own kitchen.
Being a boss is a lot of responsibility.
I am ready to work 10 hours a day.
You are very young to be so hardworking.
Baking makes me feel happy and strong.
I can see the passion in your eyes.
Is the application complete on this page?
We need to see your ID card now.
I have it in my small pink wallet.
Take your time to find it, Mia.
Here it is, my official driver's license.
I need to verify your date of birth.
I turned 21 only 2 months ago.
You are very brave to start so early.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.
Your ID is perfect and it is valid.
I was afraid it was too old.
No, it expires in 3 years from today.
Do you need a copy of my diploma?
Yes, if you studied at a cooking school.
I finished the International Pastry Academy last year.
That is a very famous and difficult school.
I learned how to make a perfect croissant.
My favorite breakfast is a warm butter croissant.
I will make the best ones in the city.
I believe you because you look very confident.
Can I use my grandmother's recipes for bread?
Of course, family recipes are always the best.
She taught me everything about salt and flour.
Does the bread have any special chemical additives?
No, I only use natural yeast and water.
That is a big plus for your license.
I want my bread to be very healthy.
I am typing your license number into the file.
Does that mean I'm a real baker?
You are a baker in our city registry.
This is a big moment for my family.
Every new shop makes the city better.
I hope the neighbors like the smell of bread.
Everyone loves the smell of a fresh bakery.
What is the next step in the process?
I need to see the map of your kitchen.
I have the blueprint right here in my hand.
Let's look at the plan on the desk.
I used a blue pen to mark everything.
This kitchen plan looks very organized and clean.
The oven is the heart of the whole room.
It is a very large oven for a garage.
It can make 50 loaves of bread together.
Where is the sink for washing your hands?
It is right next to the preparation table.
Hygiene is the most important rule for food.
I have 2 separate sinks for the vegetables.
That is perfect for the health department rules.
I also have a big fridge for the milk.
Make sure the fridge has a digital thermometer.
I bought a very modern one yesterday morning.
Where is the exit for the delivery van?
It is on the left side of the building.
The van must not block the main sidewalk.
I have a private parking space for the car.
That will make the neighbors very happy indeed.
I want to be a good friend to everyone.
Is there a space for the customers to sit?
Only 2 small wooden tables near the window.
Small cafes are very popular in this area.
I want people to read books and eat.
Books and bread are a great combination, Mia.
I will put a shelf with free books.
I am marking the kitchen plan as approved.
That is a very beautiful word for me.
Now we must talk about the safety equipment.
I have a list of all my tools.
Let's check the fire safety of the bakery.
I'm ready for any difficult questions.
Do you have a fire extinguisher in the kitchen?
I have 3, and here is a photo.
They must be red and very easy to reach.
I put 1 near the oven and 2 others.
Did a professional company check them this year?
Yes, I have the certificate with a stamp.
You are very careful about the safety rules.
Fire is a big risk for a busy baker.
Do you have a smoke detector on the ceiling?
I have 4 detectors in the whole building.
The law says you need a loud alarm.
The alarm is connected to my mobile phone.
That is a very modern and smart system.
I want to feel safe even at night.
What about the floor in the bakery kitchen?
It is made of special non-slip ceramic tiles.
That is good for avoiding accidents at work.
I don't want anyone to fall and get hurt.
You are a very kind boss for your team.
For now, I am the only worker there.
You will need help very soon, I think.
I hope my little sister can help me.
She needs to have a health certificate too.
She is visiting the doctor tomorrow at 10.
Perfect. Everything is going according to the plan.
I have a small gift for the office.
We cannot accept gifts, but thank you, Mia.
It is just a jar of my special honey.
I can look at it as a sample.
It is the secret ingredient for my cakes.
This honey has a very beautiful golden color.
It comes from a small farm in the hills.
Natural ingredients make the best quality food products.
I use it instead of white processed sugar.
That is why your cakes will be special.
Do I need to list every ingredient here?
Yes, for the people with food allergies.
I have a special menu for gluten-free people.
That is a very popular choice these days.
I use almond flour and a lot of eggs.
Many people in this office want healthy snacks.
I can bring some samples next Monday morning.
We would love to try your healthy cakes.
I am very proud of my secret recipes.
Pride is good when you work very hard.
Is the ingredient list okay for the city?
Yes, it looks clear and very honest too.
I never use artificial colors in my kitchen.
Nature provides the best colors for every cake.
I use berries and dark chocolate for decoration.
You are making me very hungry right now.
That is my goal as a baker.
We are almost finished with the whole process.
I am so happy I came here today.
I am happy to help a new entrepreneur.
Do I need to sign anything on the screen?
Yes, the final contract for the city license.
I am ready to make it official now.
Please use the digital pen on the tablet.
I will sign my name very carefully.
The tablet is very cold and very smooth.
It is the newest model in our office.
My signature looks a little bit strange here.
Don't worry, the system recognizes your hand.
Is this contract for 1 year or more?
This license is valid for 5 long years.
That is a lot of time for a bakery.
I hope you open 10 shops in 5 years.
1 small shop is enough for me today.
Small steps lead to a big future, Mia.
I signed the first page of the document.
Now, please scroll down to the bottom part.
There are many words about the city taxes.
You pay only a small amount every month.
I want to be a very honest taxpayer.
The city uses the money for the parks.
Then I am happy to help the parks.
Your signature is saved in the file.
Does a copy go to my email address?
Yes, you will receive it in 1 minute.
Technology makes everything so much faster today.
We saved 50 pages of paper today, Mia.
That is great for my green business idea.
We only need to finish the final payment.
I have my mobile phone ready for that.
The cost for the permit is $30.
That is cheaper than a new baking tray.
We want to help young people start working.
I appreciate the help from the city office.
Please tap your phone on the black box.
I am waiting for the green light.
It is checking the balance of your card.
The screen says the payment is complete.
I see the confirmation on my big monitor.
Can I have a paper receipt for this?
Of course, the printer is starting right now.
I need it to keep for my bookkeeper.
You are very organized for a new owner.
I have a special box for all receipts.
Organization is the key to a calm life.
My kitchen is also very neat and tidy.
I can see that you like perfect order.
Messy kitchens make messy bread, my grandma says.
Your grandma is a very wise woman, Mia.
She is waiting for me at the bus station.
You should go and tell her the news.
I want to show her the official permit.
I am just putting the paper into the machine.
What is the machine doing to my paper?
It is printing the official golden border on it.
That makes it look like a real diploma.
It is a diploma for your business skills.
I am going to buy a frame for it.
Choose a wooden frame to match your bakery.
That is a very good suggestion for me.
I have the official stamp on my desk.
Is that the final step of the morning?
Yes, the stamp makes it legally valid, Mia.
I'm watching the stamp with excitement.
Here is your official bakery license. The ink is still a little bit wet.
I will wait for it to dry before I move.
Look at the name, Mia's Green Bakery.
It looks so beautiful on the official paper.
You are officially a business owner in the city.
I want to cry because I am so happy.
You worked very hard for this big moment.
Thank you for being so patient with me.
It is my pleasure to see such a project.
I am putting the license in my plastic folder.
Keep it away from water and direct sunlight.
I will put it on the main wall.
Every customer will see that you are legal.
It gives the people trust in my food.
Trust is everything in the food industry, Mia.
I am ready to start baking tomorrow morning.
Don't forget to sleep at least a little.
Bakers never sleep when the sun comes up.
That is true. You have a very early schedule.
I start at 4 o'clock every single day.
I am still sleeping at 4 in the morning.
I will be the first person awake tomorrow.
I am closing your digital file in the system.
Is there anything else I need to do?
No, you are completely finished with the office.
I feel like I have a lot of energy.
Use that energy to bake the best bread.
I have a small card for you, Oliver.
Is it another jar of secret honey?
No, it is my business card with the address. Please visit my bakery for the grand opening.
When is the first day of the shop?
It is next Saturday at 8 in the morning.
I will be there to buy some croissants.
I will give you a free coffee too.
Thank you. I always need coffee on Saturdays.
My sister will be there to help me.
I hope the whole neighborhood comes to visit.
I am going to put balloons on the door.
Balloons are always a great sign for a party.
I should go and buy the flour now.
Buy the best flour for your grandma's bread.
I have a supplier from a local farm.
Support for local farms is also very good.
I am waving goodbye to you, Oliver.
Goodbye, Mia, and good luck with the oven.
I will remember your help every time I bake.
You did all the work. I just checked boxes.
Checking boxes is also a very important job.
I am happy that I met you today.
See you at Mia's Green Bakery next week.
I am looking forward to that warm croissant.
I will make a special one just for you.
Have a wonderful and productive afternoon, Mia.
I am walking to the exit with my license.
I am calling the next person in the line.
The sun is shining brightly outside the office.
Have a safe trip to the bus station.
My dream is finally a real thing today.
Good luck, Mia. Be a great baker.